Baxi AAV replacement. What you do is shut off the flow and return. Plug in your little hose to the drain off. Open the drain off. Drain it to a suitable location. Make sure it's drained. You'd want to top up the vessel while you're here. I've done that already. Then you want to grab some grips and unscrew. These ones screw out, as you can see on the new one. Threaded. So you do is loosen it with your grips, unscrew the rest, pop it out. Very nice. Make sure you got the right one. I'll give it a little wipe in there. Pop it in. And just screw it in. Give it a couple of turns with some grips. Doesn't need too much. It usually holds pretty well.